So let us start. What is this? Okay. So today I have brought few solutions for you. So like, see this one. 1 by sine alpha means this is conditional. If 1 by sine alpha plus 1 by cos alpha equal to 1 by sine beta plus 1 by cos beta, then prove that cot alpha plus beta by 2 equal to tan alpha tan beta. So this is the given condition, first line. So at this point what we will do, keep sine and sine together, cos and cos together. So shift sides. So now 1 by sine alpha minus 1 by sine beta equal to 1 by cos beta minus 1 by cos alpha. After that, take LCM. Take LCM. When you will take LCM, then it will sine alpha into sine beta. Numerator will be sine beta minus sine alpha. This side also similar thing you have to do. Now here you apply sin C minus sin D formula. C means beta and D means alpha. So 2 cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2 upon sin alpha sin beta, same, equal to this side cos C minus cos D. Here alpha means C and beta means D. Cos C minus cos D, if you recall formula, this formula is slightly different. 2 sin C plus D by 2, when it is plus both way you can write. 2 sin beta plus alpha by 2 into sin D minus C means beta minus alpha by 2 upon cos alpha cos beta. So if you will observe right side and left side, this 2 and 2 will cancel. A sin beta minus alpha by 2 will also get cancelled. So what is left? This much is left. Is it?
Yes.
So now next step, cos beta plus alpha by 2 upon this you take here. Sin beta plus alpha by 2 equal to, this will go that side up. Sin alpha sin beta upon cos alpha cos beta. See here numerator and denominator angle is same. So cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. Put cot of same angle, cot alpha plus beta by 2 equal to, you see here, sin alpha by cos alpha is tan alpha, sin beta by cos beta is tan beta. So in this way you can prove. So it's simple, but if you cannot apply this minor trick, then it will be difficult. It will take a long time to solve. Now next question. Prove that sin square alpha minus sin square beta by sin alpha cos alpha minus sin beta cos beta equal to tan alpha plus beta. Here multiply 2 both in numerator and denominator. See here, 2 has been multiplied. Now expand 2 sine square alpha minus 2 sine square beta upon 2 sine alpha cos alpha minus 2 sine beta cos beta. Simply multiply 2. Now if you see the formula of cos 2 alpha in terms of sine alpha, then you might have seen that cos 2 alpha equal to 1 minus 2 sine square alpha. I am repeating, cos 2 alpha equal to 1 minus 2 sine square alpha. So that can be rewritten as 2 sine square alpha equal to 1 minus cos 2 alpha. So 2 sine square alpha equal to 1 minus cos 2 alpha. Same here with beta angle. Minus 2 sine square beta equal to 1 minus cos 2 beta. And denominator 2 sine alpha cos alpha is sine 2 alpha. Minus 2 sine beta cos beta is sine 2 beta. Is it? Some of you can unmute because when I will ask you should reply.
Okay.
Now here open this bracket. 1 minus here if you will open bracket 1 and minus 1 will cancel. This will be minus minus plus. So cos 2 beta minus sine 2 alpha upon sine 2 alpha minus sine 2 beta. Now again here you apply cos C minus cos D formula. This is C, this is D. And denominator cos C, sin C minus sin D formula. So cos C minus cos D is 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C. 2 alpha minus 2 beta by 2. A denominator sin C minus sin D 2 cos C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. So this part is common. So cancelled. 2 is common. So cancelled. So what is left? If you reduce by 2, it will be sin alpha plus beta. This is cos alpha plus beta. Sin alpha plus beta upon cos alpha plus beta equal to tan alpha plus beta. So this is the solution. So again, those who are joining late, same content I will post in virtual class, but it takes time, maybe in afternoon. So you can check in the evening and you can download these pages. I am posting PDF file. PDF file takes less memory. All the pages will be there. Now, next. Again, one conditional question. If sin 2x plus sin 2y is 1 by 3, cos 2x plus cos 2y 1 by 2, then prove that tan x plus y equal to 2 by 3. Let us go with first given condition, sin 2x plus sin 2y equal to 1 by 3. So this is ideal situation to apply sin C plus sin D. So 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 is equal to 1 by 3. So take this 2 to the other side, it will be 1 by 6. Here sin 2 and 2 cancelled within this angle. So sin x plus y, here cos x minus y. 1 by 6. So reserve it for later use. You have sin x plus y into cos x minus y equal to 1 by 6. Now, next condition was cos 2x plus cos 2y equal to 1 by 2. So this is ideal situation to apply cos C plus cos D. You know, if this plus is replaced by minus, formula will change. 2 cos means cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D by 2, cos C minus D by 2. Again, here take 2, this 2 and 2 cancel within angle. Here also, so it will be, and take transfer this 2 to right hand side. cos x plus y into cos x minus y. 2 went there, 1 by 4. 2 into 2. Is it? Reserve this as equation 2. Now divide equation 1 by equation 2 both sides. So what was equation 1? It is here. This upon this equal to 3. Equation part of equation 1. This is part of equation 2. Here 1 by 6 is from equation 1. 1 by 4 is from equation 2. So this part is common in numerator and in denominator cancel. So this is tan x plus y. 1 by 6 into 4 by 1. So 2 to the 4, 2 3 is 6. So finally you have tan x plus y equal to 2 by 3. Is it? So if you have any question regarding these three solutions, you can ask now. Then I will stop this and I will come back to you to ask about your problems. Do you have anything to ask from here?
No, sir.
So now, today I have brought only these 4 solutions. Now you switch on your video and audio. Switch on but keep quiet. Hey, who is this? Kaushal Shah coming now. Khushbu Siddhi Vyas. Can you hear
Yes,
me?
sir. Yes, sir.
So you had inquired about question number 5. They are formulas. They are formulas of previous exercise, is it? Or this exercise?
Yes, sir.
They are formulas. Hey, I think there was one more page. Forgot. Hey, wait. See this question also. This is important. I think this was yesterday also. Hey, once see the question. Same question was given yesterday.
Yes.
Is it? Hey, Siddhi, do you see this
Yes, sir.
question?
Yes.
I had solved this yesterday also. Cos 20
So
degree
this
into
was
cos.
not my question.
It is not your question. This is my question.
So I
I
have
come
solved
back
it.
to your question.
Okay.
So this I had solved yesterday. Same question.
Yes.
You don't keep record what was taught yesterday. This is same question. It was in yesterday's class. But today I am solving this by another very important method. See, I have written second method. I once observe this, then I'll discuss with you.
1 2 7
Connect with it.
man. 2 to the 4 50. Again.
के बुझाइमा आउँदैछ अहिले म एक्सप्लेन गर्छु हेर्यौ ए तिमीहरू साउन्ड चाहिँ अनम्युट गर न भिडियो चाहिँ नराख कि तर साउन्ड चाहिँ अनम्युट गर अहिले ए, यो हेर्यौ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तर मेथड अर्कै हो चिवालाई छोड्यो। Last. This is new method, but very swift and short.
Yes, sir. It's easy.
It cos 20, cos 40, cos 60, cos 80. Among this, you know value of cos 60. Let us separate it out.
Multiply by 2, multiply by
Separate
2.
it out. It is 1 by 2, cos 20, cos 40, cos 80. Background noise is coming. Cos, but to apply this method, one thing you have to take care of, that here angle should be any angle. It can be 10, 15, 12, 18, no matter. But first is 20, then second should be 40, then third should be 80, fourth should be just double 180. So here it is the situation, 20 to the 40, 40 to the 80. If this situation is there, then you can apply this method. But it is not necessary it should be 20, 40, 80. There can be any angle. X, 2x, 4x, 8x. That can also be. Hello. So what we do here, what is left here? 3 terms. In these 3 terms, you multiply by 2 into sine of this smallest angle. Here among 20, 40 and 80, the smallest angle is 20. So what we have multiplied? 2 sine 20. So denominator also 2 sine 20. You have to balance. 2 to the 4 sine 20. Understood? Means from this first to second step, what is changed? Multiplied 2 sine 20 in both numerator and denominator. Only that was. Now 2 sine 20 into cos 20 will be sine 40. 2 sine theta cos theta is sine 2 theta. So this, from this 2 to this 20, this is sine 40 degree, cos 40 degree, cos 80 degree. Now you multiply only 2 in numerator and denominator. What we had multiplied here? I say, what is multiplied here?
2 sine 20.
2.
2 sine 20.
2 sine.
So the same thing divided, 2 sine 20. But from this step onward, you have to insert only 2.
2.
This 2 here, this 2 here.
Mm.
The 2 sine 40 into cos 40, it will be sine 80. Double.
Yes.
Yes.
2 4 ja 8, sine 20. Now again multiply 2. As long as this series ends, you keep on multiplying 2 in numerator and denominator in every step. 2, 2. 2 sine 80 into cos 80 is sine 160. Double. Denominator is 8 to the 16 sine 20. Now let us break down this. Sine 160 equal to sine 180 minus 20. Sine 180 minus 20 is sine 20. Sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. Is it? So sine 20, sine 20 cancel, 1 by 16 is left. So you know the method that I explained yesterday, that is general method. You can use anywhere with this type of question, no matter whether it is sine, cos, or sometimes tan also. in this type of long question of multiplication, you can use the method that I explained yesterday, general method. But that is delicate method. Delicate भनेको जस्तो delicate thread भनेको एकदम पातलो अलिकति मिस्टेक भयो भने चुडिहाल्ने. So yesterday को method delicate, today's method is simple. But this method cannot be applied everywhere. यो मेथड सबै क्वेशनमा अप्लाई हुँदैन. यो कस्तो क्वेशनमा अप्लाई हुन्छ त्यो बुझिराख्ने. एक यो कसमा हुनु पर्यो सबै, साइनमा यो लागू हुँदैन. बुझ्यौ? साइनमा कुनै कुनै ठाउँमा लागू हुन्छ, त्यो पछि गर्दै जाँदा थाहा हुन्छ तिमीलाई. यो साइनमा लागू हुँदैन, यो सबै कसमा हुनु पर्यो. र एंगलको एरेन्जमेन्ट जस्तो यो 60 त अपवाद हो. यसलाई त हामी भ्यालु राखेर छुट्याउन सकिहाल्छौं. 20 40 80 यहाँ अर्को थप 160 भए पनि हुन्थ्यो. त्यो खालको एंगलको एरेन्जमेन्ट छ भने स्मलेस्ट एंगल, नेक्स्ट एंगल डबल, त्यसको नेक्स्ट फेरि डबल, यो सिरिज जति लामो भए पनि हुन्छ. त्यो खालको एरेन्जमेन्ट छ भने यो मेथड हामी अप्लाई गर्न सक्छौं. यो भनेको न्युमरेटर र डिनोमिनेटरमा सुरुमा 2 sin, sin पछि कुन एंगल लिने त्यो स्मलेस्ट एंगल तलमाथि मल्टिप्लाई गर्ने र हेर्ने. यो अटोमेटिक एउटा गाडीको सवार भइहाल्छ. 2 sin थीटा cos थीटा is sin 2 थीटा. साइनमा आउँदै जान्छ, अर्को cosलाई मिलाउँदै जान्छ हरेक स्टेप. यो 20 20 बाट 40 भयो, 40 40 80 भयो, 80 80 अनि 160 हैन. र सेकेन्ड स्टेप देखि 2 मात्रै थप्ने न्युमरेटर र डिनोमिनेटर. 2 into 2 2 into 2 2 into 2 र लास्टमा गएर जब सकिन्छ यो एउटामा सीमित हुन्छ त्यतिखेर यसलाई ब्रेक गरेर तलको क्यान्सल हुन्छ ग्यारेन्टेड. यो sin 160 भनेको 180 minus 20 हो. that will give you sin 20 र यो डिनोमिनेटर क्यान्सल हो. 1/60 एउटा इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट नम्बर is left here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
अरु कोही? यो खुशबु, यो रेडमी को रेडमी यहाँ नाम चेन्ज गर्न पाइन्छ. के नाम होला भन त? म यहाँ चेन्ज गर्दिन्छु. रेडमी कसको नाम भन नाम. ए ल चेन्ज गरिसक्यो.
सर चेन्ज गरे.
ल ठीक. यो रेडमी भएपछि त म चिन्दिन नि. यो सैमसंग को who is this Samsung SMG? यहाँ नाम लेख नाम. यो सैमसंग कसको? मेरो त म चिन्दिन. मेरो यहाँ नाम लेख न. यहाँ राइट के हो? मोबाइल हो? हो त यहाँ नाम चेन्ज हुन्छ. चेन्ज गर्न मिल्छ, रिनेम गर्न मिल्छ, चेन्ज होइन. मेरो भनेको नाम भन न, मै गरिदिन्छु यहाँबाट. त्यो मोबाइलमा अप्ठ्यारो हुन्छ. ए ल ओ यहाँ हेर्दै जाऊ. जियासा. अब आयो तिम्रो नाम. तिमीले हेर्दै होला, म हेर्दैछु. अरूले हेर्छ. यो हिसाब बुझ्यो? अब यो के छ भने यो भिडियोलाई तिमीहरूले दोहोर्याइ त्यहीर्याइ हेर्ने अप्सन छँदैछ. अब यसमा धेरै यो अब हिजो मैले जुन जतिवटा क्वेशन दिएको थिएँ त्यसमा के कति गर्न भ्यायो, कति समस्या आयो त्यो चाहिँ सोधा हो। कि गर्दै गरेन? मेलिसा
हजुर सर
अनि के छ खबर? गर्दैछु। तितिस
सर अलिकति पुरानो बाँकी थियो कि त्यही गर्दै थिएँ, हिजोको त्यसैले पुग्याएन।
यही त यो दिनभरि फुर्सद हुन्छ अनि एउटा विषय गर्न सक्दैन भने जब 8 वटा विषयको पढाइ हुन्छ कसरी गर्ने? उज्जवल
यस सर।
के छ खबर? कति गर्यो?
सर हल्का हल्का गर्दैछु सर, म्याथहरुको पनि थियो, म्याथको पनि गर्दै थिएँ।
अनि त्यतिमै दिन जान्छ। अरु धिजन सरले पनि लाइभ क्लास लिनुहुन्छ?
सर लिनु भएको छैन।
ल यो छवि तिम्रो के छ?
सर गर्दैछु।
मलाई अप्ठ्यारो भएको छैन?
छैन सर, हुन्छ भने सोधिहाल्छु।
ल प्रियंका
सर गर्दैछु।
सौरभ
गर्दैछु सर।
ल दिव्येश्वरी दिव्या
सर
अनि मैले जुन सल्भ गर्दैछु त्यसको नोट बनाउँदैछौ नि सबैजनाले?
यस सर।
यो चाहिँ नछोड्नु नि फेरि, यो त सम्पत्ति हुन्छ तिमीहरूको। अनुषा भुजेल
हजुर सर।
के छ?
हजुर ठीक छ।
ठिक छ भनेको तिम्रो मैले स्वास्थ्यको बारेमा सोधेको होइन, यो पढाइको।
ठिकै छ।
ठिकै छ भनेको त्यति राम्रो छ। अगाडिदेखिको नोट बनायो सबै?
सर मेलिसाले मलाई फोटो पठाइदिएको थियो अनि नोट बनाए।
अनि तिमी आफैले पनि त हेर्न सक्छौ। त्यो भर्चुअल क्लास कनेक्ट गर्न आउँछ कि आउँदैन?
सर गरेको थिएँ अनि फेरि मेमोरी फुल भयो अनि अनइन्स्टल गरिदिए अनि हिजो अस्ति हालेको।
किन मेमोरी फुल भयो? त्यो हटाउ न। त्यो लुडो, क्यारम बोर्ड, अरु गेमहरु सबै डिलिट गर।
सर लुडो खेल्दिन सर म।
मेमोरी कसरी फुल हो? केले फुल हो? फोटोहरु हटाऊ, भिडियोहरु हटाऊ।
सर खै के गेमहरु थियो, टकिङ एन्जिलाहरु सबै हटाए अनि त्यो इन्स्टल गरेको।
अब त्यो मैले मेटेको छैन, 15 गते देखिको छ। त्यो सबै त्यो कपीमा नोट गर्ने, त्यसपछि म आफै यताबाट हटाइदिन्छु।
हस्।
कौशल ए कौशल शाह, तो प्रशांत राय भाग्यो त ऊपर ही थियो। कौशल शाह
सर
what are you doing?
सर आगे थोरै बाँकी छ।
यो नयाँ लेटेस्ट को?
सर थोरै बाँकी छ, आज पुरा हुन्छ।
ल ल ल जिया
यस सर।
के छ तिमी नोट बनाउँदैछौ?
सर मेरो पहिलाको पनि छुटेको छ अनि बनाउँदैछु हजुर।
ल सबै बनाउने। म स्कुल खुलेपछि तिमीहरुको यो सबै मसँग रेकर्डेड छ, कुन दिन को आयो। ल अब आजको टाइम सकिन लाग्यो। केही भन्नु छ भने भनिहाल्ने। ए त्यो के रे सिद्धि क्यान यु हियर मी?
यस सर।
तिमीले जुन त्यो 5 नम्बर सोधे नि, त्यो फर्मुला हो। त्यो फर्मुला डिराइभ गर्नु पर्छ। त्यो फर्मुला लेख्ने होइन त्यहाँ।
सर त्यो डिराइभ गर्ने हो नि, डाइरेक्ट प्रुफ गर्ने होइन नि?
होइन, प्रुफ डिराइभ भनेकै प्रुफ हो नि। यसको अरु के प्रुफ हुन्छ? जस्तो मल्टिपल एंगलमा जसरी गरेको थियो त्यसरी नै गर्ने। यहाँ चाहिँ 2x को ठाउँमा x लेख्ने, x जहाँ जहाँ छ त्यहाँ x/2 लेख्ने, सकिहाल्यो। त्यही प्रोसेस फलो गर्ने। बुझ्यौ?
बुझे
त्यही पनि बुझिएन भने फेरि सोध्नु ल।
हस्
अब आजको टाइम
हस्
सक्यो, म अब 9 को क्लास लिन्छु। ल बाई।